guys, so once again, I'm Kamayo. Uh, Now our topic is about parsing in Microsoft Excel. By the way, parsing is all about separating cell with text in separate pieces. In parsing, we are using some Microsoft Excel features, and also we are using some text functions. So let's start. We will parse our data using text functions. Okay, now this is the text function, len function, meaning this is the length meaning length of the word, this one. So this is the len function. So we will use this len function. So this one, len function, we need to count how many characters. So guys, if you select this one, even space, it's included as a count for this one. So we'll use len function, just equals, then select len, repeat the len, then select the text, this one. So if you select the text, then you can write close parenthesis, or you can hit directly enter. So meaning my name Corvera Rinaldo O, the total length of the character is 20. So this is how. And also we'll go with La Grama Juliet. I will press equals, then len function, meaning length of our name, then tab, then select this name, then hit enter or type close open parenthesis. Now 18. So now we need to, again, this is we are use left function to parse our family name. So my family name is Corvera. So meaning, so I need to parse my family name. So what we will do is we need to use the left function. So meaning we'll count from left, Corvera, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So meaning my family name is 7 character. So I will press equals, then I will use a left function, left, then will select my name, then comma. So as what I told, number of characters. So meaning my family name is 7 characters. So I will type 7, then close parenthesis. So if I hit enter, look, now my family name Corvera parse from my full name. So again with the Juliet Lagrama, I will count this Juliet Lagrama, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So meaning this Lagrama is 7 also. Her family name is Lagrama, so 7 characters. So we'll type equals, then left function, then select the full name, then comma, then 7, since her family name is 7 characters. So we'll type 7, then close parenthesis, then hit enter. So now look, Lagrama is parsed from the full name Lagrama Juliet. Now we'll go to right function. So meaning straightforward. Right function, meaning we will count from the right. So we'll hit equals, then we'll type right function, then we will select the full name. Then again guys, before we proceed, we need to count. Look, from here, from the right, so we need to include this period. So from the period 1, then O, 2, then space 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So meaning from the right rather, we need to count 11. So this will parse my name, including my middle initial. So meaning from right, if we will put 11 characters, so it shows my name and my middle initial. So we'll start equals right function, then we'll select my full name, then comma, then 11. Since my name and my middle initial is 11 characters, including period and the space, so 11. Close parenthesis, then hit enter. Look, Ronaldo O. So this is my name and my middle initial. So we'll also parse the name and middle initial of Juliet Lagrama. So now we'll start count in from the right. So period 1, M, 2, space 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the total characters from the right, it shows Juliet M. So we'll start equals, then right, select the full name, then comma. So since the total characters from the right, it shows Juliet, I will type 9 since the count from right is 9. So close parenthesis, then hit enter. Look, now Juliet M is separated from her full name. So now we need to parse we'll use the main in order to take my name without the middle initial. So now we need to use main, meaning in the middle, in the center. Family name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, consists of 9 characters. So this is the mid, starting mid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now, if you see, if we count, meaning the middle here in between is 9. So from here 9, so meaning this one will parse my name. So I will type equals, then mid function. So I will select this one, comma. So now I will remove this 9 from Corvera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one I will put 9. So this one will remove to get the middle of my full name. So I will put that. So now, since I already removed from 9 characters from the left, it shows in the middle of this full name. So I will count from here, from blank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I will put 9. So meaning this one is the middle. This one. We remove this 9 in order to retrieve this middle, which is my name. So meaning after this 9, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 characters in order to show my name. So now I will hit enter. Look, now showing Rinaldo without middle initial. So we'll go with La Grama Juliet. We need to take also this only her name. So equals, then we'll use mid function. Now we need to count from here. So in order to take this Juliet, we need to count how many characters in order to take this Juliet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look, 9. The same. We'll put. Okay, we'll select first this one. Don't forget to select the full name. Then we comma. Then we'll type 9 since we need to take this family name in order to parse this Juliet. So 9. So we'll remove these 9 characters from the left to get the mid. So we'll count from here, from space also here. Guys, if period and space, this one is included as I consider as one character. Space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from space after comma, we need to count 7 in order to complete this Juliet. 0, this one, meaning we need to count 1, this space, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll put 7. Then close open parenthesis. Now this is the magic of pen. Lock. So this is how to parse the full name and put into pieces by using this 4 function. Len function, which is just to show our length of this full name. Left, which is we choose from the left, and also right, straightforward. We'll count the characters from the right, and also mid. We need to take in the mid after we remove some characters from the left. So now our 4 function have already executed. So this is how to use, this is how to parse the name using these 4 functions.